Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can disable or enable the full screen optimization on your Windows, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can do that. So this is for a specific application that you are playing on your Windows. So if you want to disable or somehow enable the full screen optimization, then I can show you how. So let's say for example, we have this the Roblox player in the Valorant application. Now simply make a right click on that desktop icon, near the game desktop icon. Right click and then select show more options, the last option right here. Then here in this window, you'll find properties, that is the last option. Then here in the app properties, which is for the Valorant properties, we have the general, shortcut, compatibility, and the digital signatures tab. Now we have to click on the third tab, which is the compatibility tab, and you'll find here disable full screen optimizations. If you want to disable full screen optimizations, then just simply check this box. Or if you want to enable full screen optimizations, then you just have to simply uncheck or do not check this box. Again, if you want to disable full screen optimizations, just simply check this box. And if you want to enable full screen optimizations, just simply uncheck this box, click on apply and then OK. Also for another game, which is the Roblox player, just simply make a right click and then select show more options. Now here you have to click on properties. Then here in the Roblox player properties, the same tabs will appear, which is the general, shortcut, compatibility, and the digital signatures tab. Now you have to click on the third tab, which is the compatibility tab. Then here, if you want to disable full screen optimizations, then you can just simply check this box. Or if you want to enable full screen optimizations, then you just have to simply uncheck this box. And once that is done, just click on apply and then click on OK. And you can also do this for any other game applications that you are using on your Windows or that you enjoy playing on your Windows. If you want to disable the full screen optimizations or if you want to enable the full screen optimizations. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.